How do I write a direct deposit letter to Ally Bank? Intro. Hey there, you've just landed a new job, and the excitement is palpable. You're ready to start earning, but then you realize you need to set up direct deposit to receive your paycheck seamlessly. If you're an Ally Bank customer, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down how to write a direct deposit letter to Ally Bank, step by step. Hook, have you ever wondered why direct deposit is so popular? It's not just about convenience, it's also about security and speed. So, let's dive in and learn how to make the most of this modern banking feature. Context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of writing the letter, let's understand what direct deposit is. Essentially, it's a method of electronic payment where your employer directly deposits your paycheck into your bank account. This eliminates the need for paper checks and reduces the risk of lost or stolen funds. Ally Bank, being a leading online bank, offers a seamless direct deposit experience. However, you'll need to provide your employer with the necessary information to set it up. Step-by-step guide. Gather your information. Account number. This is the unique identifier for your Ally Bank account. You can find it on your account statements or by logging into your online banking. Routing number. This is a 9-digit code that identifies Ally Bank. You can find it on your checks or by contacting Ally Bank customer service. Your name and address. Ensure that your name and address match the information on your Ally Bank account. Write the letter. Salutation. Begin the letter with a formal salutation, such as Dear, employer's name. Introduction. Clearly state your intention to set up direct deposit for your paycheck. Account information. Provide your Ally Bank account number and routing number. Your information. Include your full name and address. Request. Politely request that your employer set up direct deposit to your Ally Bank account. Closing. End the letter with a professional closing, such as sincerely or best regards. Additional information. If your employer requires any additional forms or documentation, be sure to provide them. Some employers may have specific procedures for setting up direct deposit, so it's a good idea to check with your HR department. Example letter. Dear, employer's name. I am writing to request that my paycheck be deposited directly into my Ally Bank account. My account information is as follows. Account number, your account number. Routing number, Ally Bank routing number. My name and address are. Your name. Your address. Thank you for your time and assistance. Sincerely. Your name. Tips for writing a strong letter. Be clear and concise, use simple language and avoid technical jargon. Proofread carefully, ensure that there are no errors in grammar or spelling. Be polite and professional, maintain a courteous tone throughout the letter. Follow up. If you haven't heard back from your employer within a reasonable time, follow up with a phone call or email. Conclusion. Setting up direct deposit to your Ally Bank account is a simple and convenient way to receive your paycheck. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure a smooth transition from paper checks to electronic payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, if you have any further questions about direct deposit or Ally Bank, feel free to leave a comment below.